Hi, Simple Life Ministry, Lorna here, back at you with another video. So today I want to make a banana bread, and this one is a request from my niece all the way in England, from Chelsea. Hi, Chelsea. So Chelsea loves banana bread, and her mom is always making banana bread every Sunday. And so I want to show Chelsea how I would make banana bread for Uncle Dennis. Auntie Lorna cannot have this one because of the unbleached flour that we will use, but this one is for Uncle Dennis. Okay, Chelsea? So let us try to go fast. Okay. So right now, I'm going to start with the wet ingredients first, Chelsea. And I'm not going to rub it up in a pan like mommy. I'm going to do this one today in the blender. And I find that this way everything goes faster. So let's start with the liquid first. So in here, Chelsea, I have 1 cup of olive oil and I have 1 cup of water. And then I have in here some vanilla and some almond essence. So what else liquid do we have here, sweetie? No more liquid. So now we're going to go in with the coconut sugar. So this is 2 cups of coconut sugar, and we have some ripe banana. So I cut up the ripe banana in my cup here, put that in, and we are going to now, Chelsea, we are going to blend the wet ingredients now. So here we go in the blender. Okay, we have some walnuts. I'm just going to put that in now. 1 cup of walnut. That will go in. And I may as well put the spices. In there I have some mace, and I have nutmeg and cinnamon. Okay. Next, I'm going to put in here, Chelsea. Hold on, I need the entire space for this. In here, I have the flour, and all of this flour is already sifted. But I'm going to show you now that I have egg powder in here, and I have aluminum-free baking powder. What I find with the aluminum-free baking powder is that I need extra, because it is not as strong as the regular baking powder. So you're going to put aluminum-free baking powder and baking soda. And I have here also egg powder. So you try to sieve everything, the salt. Try to sieve. You don't have to sieve the salt, but you try to sieve everything so that you put some air into your baking, and it makes the bread doesn't come out so heavy. Okay, so here I also have the cinnamon. Usually I don't use this cinnamon, but this one is a organic true cinnamon. This one I use for Dennis. Okay, so here now we have the wet ingredients and we have the dry ingredients. So we're going to try to incorporate this now incorporate everything in the dry ingredients. Then we're going to put it in the blender, Chelsea. I may have to add more water to this. I think I put too much flour, Chelsea. Auntie put too much flour. Okay. All right. So now I try to do this. It's like I'm doing the mixing that I would do in the bowl. I'm doing it in the blender so that I can add the rest of flour. Okay, yes, I did have too much flour, Charles. All right, but I will put the measurement in the description, okay? Oops. Oh boy. I need water. Hold on. Hold on. So there is one that mommy makes, and it's called banana bread, and there's another one that is banana cake. So I think mommy would call this one banana cake, but whichever the way, this is the way Auntie Lorna loves to do it. All right, so let's put some more water in this. Hold on, Charles. Okay. So here we go. Now we're going to try to see if this will blend. Okay. All right. Okay. Let's go. Hold on. One more second. I don't know, Daddy. Let's try. Okay, let's stop here and see how it goes.
Okay.
Yeah. So I have the butter here. Yep. It's all ready to. 1 second. It's because. Just hold on, Chelsea. Auntie's coming. All right. All right, let's just get this down. See how nice and creamy. Okay. All right, so now this is my baking pan that I'm using because I want it to be flat. I don't want it to be round and high. So I'm using this today, Charles. Okay. And now I'm going to pour.
Okay. Looks pretty good.
Yeah. It's all done. So now I
had a little doubt myself.
You had a
it certainly does look creamy.
It does look creamy, yeah? So the thing is to always try and mix out the wet ingredients before you add the dry. And everything will just, you know, everything is being so easy to do nowadays. But the time is coming when we have to go back to doing things the way our grandmother taught us how to do it. you know. And I should be teaching Chelsea how to do this from scratch, so she can learn. Instead, I'm teaching her how to do it the easier way. But one day, Chelsea, when you come to Jamaica, you and Auntie Lorna is going to bake together, okay, in this kitchen. All right, by God's grace, Chelsea. When you come here with mommy, you come to the house and we can bake. All right. And do you notice I'm also wearing purple, your favorite color?
Oh boy.
All right. All right, so you try to level it off so that you don't have one side heavy and the other side light. This is it. This is it. This is it, Chelsea. This is Auntie Lorna's banana bread. All right, and I'm going to put this in the oven. Whoa, that's really hot. On the bottom shelf. And you put that at 350 for don't look at that because that's not 350, but put it at 350 for 45 minutes. Okay, and let me show you, Chelsea, one that we did. So do you see that tray? This is what's left of it. So we did one before, and this is how it looks. And this is it. It kind of want to remind me of bulla, Jamaican bulla cake, the way it looks. But this is it. In this one, I put some cranberries. So every bite you get, there is a cranberry in it. So this is it. So Chelsea, thank you for watching Auntie Lorna's banana bread video, which I made just for you. And I hope that you will watch it and that you will make this one with mommy. And you will send me pictures, okay? Thank you, Simple Life, for liking, sharing, and subscribing. Until next time. Blessings.
Amen.